I love talking about perfume, almost as much as makeup. Almost. Hey guys, in this video I am sharing with you my top fall and winter perfumes. I have some luxury brands and there are some affordable options in this video as well that I have recently discovered and fallen in love with and will be sharing with you. A lot of you mentioned your favorite fragrances in my fall perfume collection video, and I loved looking back through your comments and discovering new perfumes. So I would love to know what your go-to fragrances are for the fall and winter in the comments below. Before we begin, if you are new here to my channel, welcome. I upload makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos Monday and Friday at 2, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you would like to see more. Chanel Coco Mademoiselle is my special occasion year-round signature fragrance. It's the perfume I wore on my wedding day, so it definitely holds special memories for me. This is a strong, floral, warm, sexy scent, but I see this as being very appropriate for this time of the year. I strongly suggest this for winter brides. This is such a timeless perfume and it will always stay so classy. The main notes in this are orange, patchouli, and Turkish rose. And this obviously is a luxury brand, but in my opinion, I think that this is one of the luxury perfumes that is worth the money. It's an elegant, feminine perfume that fits right into all the winter fragrances that I've been wearing. Now, this perfume was actually sent to me by a company called Layered. This perfume fits the description of the perfect fall and winter fragrance. They actually sent me a few of their perfumes, and actually 3 of them I have been wearing non-stop since I received them. I know the name is a little bit crazy, but out of all the perfumes that they sent me, this one is my favorite. And I've gotten so many compliments from other people when I wear this perfume. Even the mailman commented on how good these perfumes smelled because he could smell them through the boxes in his mail truck. The perfume notes in this perfume are mandarin, vanilla, jasmine, ginger, ambergris, and sandalwood. I realized that most of the perfumes that I wear and love have strong notes of jasmine and some type of variation of citrus. Don't cover yourself in this because it's a very strong scent, but once it blends out into your skin, it becomes a soft, elegant, warm scent. Very much unlike the name indicates. But the Layered First Kiss is a really great everyday perfume. Just looking at the notes of this perfume, I can already see why I love it. But some of these I may not pronunciate right, so I apologize. The perfume notes are rhubarb, lychee, nutmeg, Turkish rose, peony, pitalia, vanilla, cedar, vetiver, cashmeran, musk, and incense. That is a lot of notes for one perfume. And the notes in this perfume make it a perfect fall and winter fragrance. Turkish rose is one of the main notes in Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. I know I keep on going back to Coco Mademoiselle, but that is my signature perfume. Next we have the TATCHA Mea hair fragrance. I know this is a hair fragrance, but I will spritz this on the go and wear it as a perfume. I do love wearing this as its intended purpose when I'm having a little bit too much of dry shampoo in my hair. This reminds me of the Taylor Swift Wonderstruck perfume that I would wear all the time in high school. This once again is a warm floral, and the notes are wild iris, black currant, and patchouli heart. You still get the luxury brand, but it's a bit more affordable this way. When you're on a budget, you do what you gotta do. The best way for me to describe this perfume is clean and fresh. Once again, it has that famous note of jasmine, and the notes in this perfume are lilies, white peonies, jasmine, and rose. As you can see, this is worn quite frequently. Layered Enchanted Garden is another clean, fresh scent, but this one makes me think of crisp autumn leaves in the sunshine in a little garden. I can't stop smelling my arm when I wear this one. Bouquets of jasmine, rose, gardenia, sweet fruit pulp, and bright orange and bergamot. Bergamot?
Bergamot.
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 Bergamot. Why do I love jasmine so much? Between Me and Enchanted Garden, I cannot put them down. That completes all my go-to and fall winter perfumes. As always, I recommend that you guys get a sample size before you purchase a full size of the perfume. But I love all of these and I wear them all. I hope this video was inspiring and helpful for you guys. I'm really excited to look at the comments on this video to see what your guys' go-to perfumes are for the cooler months. I will leave more information on the layered fragrances in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing from them. I highly recommend them. The fragrances that I got from them, I wear every single one. The 3 that I mentioned in this video are my favorites. Thank you so incredibly much for watching this video to the end. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up so that I know to create more content like this for you. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye! Are those my lights?
It's from Twinkle Star.
Can I see it? Wait, can you tell me which one you like better? Do you like this one?
Oh, I smell color.
It's the crazy named one.
It smells good.
Which one do you like better? That
Why
one
not
or
give me one?
this one?
Yeah, I like this one better.
Really?
I think so. Now let me smell again. Alright. I don't know. I like the F one. F me. F you. No, F me.